What you are about to see happened in 40 seconds. 40 seconds is all it took built to just 48 hours before it all burned co. We were at our greatest.
New home.
New home. New strength.
She always wanted more. Not for herself, for us. A colony that stops growing eventually.
Expansion Day. We ran through new jungle paths like we owned the world.
Because we thought we did.
Our scout found it by accident. A fortress older than our colony, older than the army general, older than anything we faced. He was not like the army general. The army general was a warrior who loved battle. This one was something else.
Our scout had changed. The ant who once ran screaming from the Red Army now stood calm, delivering intelligence like a sea.
She chose peace first. She always chose peace first. The worker ant who once... The queen offers a path to peace.
Sharing is weakness. Respect is surrender.
The Beetle commander.
Sound the alarms. Mobilize defenses.
Secure the perimeter. Ready the evacuation.
Move the civilians. Move the eggs. Now!
He didn't wait for us to prepare. The moment our diplomat walked out of his gate can, his army was already moving. We had hours. We thought. We had minutes.
They're coming! Too many!
Oh!
No, no! Only 4 minutes! I have to warn them! 10 seconds. The scout gave us 10 seconds. It wasn't enough. It was 10 seconds be enough. Everything we built to fight the army ants, useless. Their shells were harder than anything we had prepared.
Keep pushing! Protect the eggs! They won't reach them!
40 seconds. He didn't use weapons. He used fire. Our own element Balaam turned against us.
We must go!
No! Queen, listen! They will burn!
We march!
94 survivors. That is what remained of the greatest fire colony in the jungle. 94 ants sitting in...
You are not finished. You are what came from that egg. You are not finished. We had fought them once, a lifetime ago, in a desert that felt like another world.
Fire alone burns everything it touches. But fire and gold together are different.
She had heard of the Fire Queen, the baby queen who defeated the undefeatable army general. And the baby queen...
Together! Take back! Share! Accepted. Hey, Miguel! It took less than 60 seconds. Yeah! Because sometimes two groups of survivors don't...
The Fire General had studied that fortress for 2 days and found 3 weak points. The Yellow General had observed it from a different angle and...
The Beetle commander made exactly one mistake. He believed that destroying a colony meant destroying its spirit. He had never...
200 ants, moving through the Amazon night like they had trained together for years.
They hadn't. They had trained together for 3 hours.
7 simultaneous strikes. The Beetle commander had never faced a coordinated multi-front attack.
Come on, then. Voiceover. The gate that had never opened for an enemy path opened. Because the ant who opened it had already... They had fought against each other once. In a desert. A lifetime ago. Now watching them fight together now, it was...
Keep digging. This tunnel is stable. Move the debris here. We've found the backup chamber. The eggs are safe. Secure the entrance.
And then he came. The Beetle Commander himself. And I will be honest, tossed. When I saw him up close time.
He had defeated queens before. Alone they are formidable. Together dawned the baby queen and the yellow...
She fought with fire. The Yellow Queen fought with grace. Together they were something that has no name. Something the Yellow Queen gave her the opening. The baby queen took it without hesitation.
One strike! The right strike!
In the right place.
He had fought for 100 years and never kneeled. In the end, Bass, it wasn't strength that defeated him.
She didn't take the territory for herself. She divided it. She had fought for the right to share it, and she created something more vengeance. They rebuilt in half the time, because there were twice as many hands, And because something happens when troops of survival.
A new banner for a new colony. Not fire, not gold, both together.
They burned our home. They thought that was the end. But fire does not end when you try to put it out. Fire